Hey guys, decided to do a quick update while I topped up the system. So everything looks pretty good. The lettuces here are starting to go to seed because no one's had time to harvest them. The kale back there is doing okay, fought back from the infestation it was having. The basil is staying at flower, not getting bushier. Mummy's flowers are going better. The mint patch that's been planted is starting to take off. The crazy onion putting out onion flowers is still looking pretty cool and really nice, and right next to it are these what look like lettuce flowers right here and right here. Of course, here is the celery doing pretty good, and here is the king of the system, the big papayas tree. Just to give you an idea, look at that guy is huge. I can't get my hand, barely get my hand halfway around it. So that's growing in just 10 inches or 10 to 12 inches of rocks in there, so about a good, I'd say, more than 6-7 feet high. And right up there, if the camera will choose to get the lighting right, are a couple of nice big fat papayas. Actually, more than a couple. I see a 1 2 3 4 5 6 papayas all the way up there. And in the amazement of aquaponics, that we've got these papayas growing all without soil, on the power of fish poo from our fish, one of whom is down here. We should see him playing around in the water because Danny likes to jump down when the water is flushing. You see Danny boy over there having a good time. So thank you for watching and keeping up with the system. I really appreciate your comments and your views. Remember to leave me one if you liked it, and especially if you didn't like it, let me know what you didn't like and I'll make it better. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Okay, bye.